Alright girls, previously I have already shared how to apply moisturizer and then primer also, and also I have told you how to use the foundation. But now we should also check how to use a liquid form of foundation, which is also important part of makeup. So it looks like this, and the consistency is very important, and also the brush. Yeah, so it's a very important part. So now apply it, and around this area below, which is called the panda's eye area, and it is important. Okay, so now fill this area properly, because usually this area is a little dark in color. If there is any kind of spot in this area, you can apply foundation. Yeah, so the spots or any kind of darkness is covered properly near the under the eye. See, like I'm doing it right now, like this. Okay. As we see the black area around the forehead also, that should also be properly covered with the foundation. Foundation is a very important part of makeup in general, because it covers all the blotches and also flaws on the face. So do it properly, okay? And like I told you before, yeah, the consistency and the texture of the foundation liquid is very important for the brush, okay? So the thicker the foundation, the better the makeup, or also the thinner the foundation, the lighter the makeup. So you have to remember this very important tip. Okay. Spread the liquid foundation evenly all over the face, and make sure that you don't blotch it anywhere, especially the cheekbone area and also the area below the eyes, which is usually dark. Another important area which we should focus on is the nose area, which is usually very shiny. So you have to be very careful of applying it properly over there. Otherwise, otherwise the nose really looks horrible. And on the forehead also, apply it evenly all over the forehead. Okay. Actually, the most important part of applying liquid foundation is below the eyes and the cheekbones, the neck. Apply in straight lines like this on the neck and the cheekbones. Okay. In upward motion. And also below the eyes, like I said before, very important part, because usually it is very dark. So applying foundation is very important, because it gives a good contour to the face and covers all the blotches and all the darkness, the nose area, the forehead area and the eye area. The brush is also a very important part of liquid foundation. So make sure that the kind of makeup tools that you use to apply the liquid foundation is of good quality and also of the right size, which is very important. You know, foundation is so important because after you apply the foundation, your face completely changes. I mean, everyone asks that, wow, what have you done to your face? Because you're looking so young and so beautiful. And then I say that it is because of the foundation, because foundation is the most important part. And also remember to apply foundation on the top of the forehead, which area is mostly missed by people. So the tip of the brush should be used, and foundation should be applied everywhere, under the eye as well. Tap it properly, tap it nicely. Cheekbone areas also. And you can also smile while applying the foundation, so that you can give a better look to the foundation and to your face, sorry. So It is important to apply the foundation all over the area and cover from top to bottom. There should be no piece of skin that is left, See, you also see changes when you apply the foundation, and below the eyes the blotches are gone and the face also looks slimmer overall. See, the cheekbones get properly highlighted and everyone says, wow, what has happened? You're looking so young and so beautiful. And I say it is all because of the liquid foundation, especially on the cheek area like this. Yeah, very, very important, the corners and below the eyes. Yeah, and the blotches below the eyes also get covered. Okay, so now you can see that it has been evenly toned. And see the contour of the face, it looks really beautiful. And also, like I told you before, we have to use a moisturizer, and then we have to use the liquid primer, and then we have to use the foundation on your skin, because that only gives the proper look and is the proper way of using makeup. Because then only everyone says that your makeup is looking appealing and very nice. So it is important that you use your hands also sometimes, because if you don't want to use a brush, you can use your hands. Put some foundation on your hand, tap it, mix it, and then apply it all over your face, because it is very effective that way. And then apply it evenly. Yes. See, you can see that already the face looks very much brighter. Okay? Yes. Like I have already told you, all these tips are very important, but people say that okay, you just need to put a foundation, but use the right type of foundation, liquid or in solid form. And then these are the tips that I have already given you, and I hope that you apply them. And remember to cover your forehead area. Also remember the cheekbone area, and also even tone of the entire face, which is very important. So these are the tips I will share with you. I don't have anything else, but I will come back with another tip.